Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be unboxing Mockmill Professional 200 and then demonstrating the first time use for this mill. You may be wondering why I'm unboxing a second Mockmill so soon after unboxing the first one, Lino 200. I had put it up online in the market and I sold it because I was always comparing it with my old house, and a very nice farmer lady bought it. It was hardly used. I regretted selling Mockmill Lino 200, but while looking out for a new one, I found this Mockmill Professional 200. The mill comes with a instruction manual and grinding table. It's heavier and it's also quite fast in grinding. The motor is also a lot more powerful. This is what we noticed. We ordered this in Switzerland, but they supplied us with a German plug, and for that they gave us an adapter later. The veneer of this mill is made out of beechwood, but because of its round shape, inside it is bamboo. This is what I noticed from reading a few reviews online in German. In Mockmill Lino 200, there was a transport locking device, but in the professional one, it's not there. We are going to be setting it to our need, and we are going to open it and then season it first with rice. We didn't realize that there was no locking device, so we opened it, but it is not necessary to open.
Point should be towards the nozzle, okay? And otherwise you can't do much wrong, just like this. Should be like this, okay? And then, like this. As long till it becomes hard here, and then you go back to whatever you want, okay? Start it first. At the beginning, not too much.
Not too fine.
Like not too fine at the beginning, a little bit more like this, okay?
Yeah.
Then we do like this. So we start first with tinkle grains. For the first time I keep it on 2, and it says you can go till 1. So maybe I start even with 3.
Thank you for watching. I will be doing a full review after a few months, and I will also be reviewing Mockmill Lino 200. I hope this video was useful for you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.